So recently my wife and I started making our own dog food, organic food from, food that humans would eat. I put all the ratios and all the correct measurements in the description, but basically all it is ground beef, ground turkey, we do kale, eggs, brown rice, and if you want to throw some carrots in there, that's cool. That's what I'm going to do that for this round. I forgot one thing too, sweet potatoes. You prep it. We basically make food for a whole week, and then we freeze it in Ziploc bags, and then it's ready to go. We warm it up in a bowl, and then they have it for dinner, lunch, breakfast, whenever we decide to give it to them. So right now I'm cooking some stuff behind me. I'm trying carrots this time, just to throw it in there and to see, how that goes. Should be fine. And yeah, I'll show you how I make it. We actually just reuse them. This is from the last batch. And we do about, you said, a cup and a half?
Yeah.
That's what we do with our dogs. Sometimes they get it once a day, twice a day, 3 times a day. This just really depends. And sometimes we'll throw in like one meal of dry kibble. But yeah, it's not too bad, not too time consuming. And then once it's in these bags and everything's poured in, we put it in the freezer. And you just grab it and go, and it's super easy.